Hello everyone. So today I thought I'll probably show you something really useful, and I was actually wondering if I mentioned it some time in one of my previous video. I don't really remember, to be honest, but it's okay. I'll keep it short and I'll try to explain. So whenever you're working with the Emacs and you're trying to, let us say, maybe you're trying to configure something, you're trying to maybe use your own key bindings, because eventually you will. I'm sure there will be a point when you will use your own key bindings to make your life easy. Now in Emacs there are so many things that are actually already using some kind of key binding, and you need to know about those key bindings. Otherwise you might create some issues. I mean, nothing will break, but it won't really work, right? So there is a simple way to do it. All you need to do, let me just narrow it down. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to simply use a command called, not a command, but this key binding called control HK. So sorry, control H and then K. Yep. So you will get the option here to now type in your key binding. So let us say you type in alt X or meta X based on your configuration. If you're using Mac, I guess it is escape. So you will get to know about this this particular key binding, which is currently being used, of course, and it is found in global map. Let us try something else maybe. So I also use control X, control enter. I have to remember these key bindings because my fingers know these key bindings, but not really my brain. So it is also found in global map. It is basically to swap your window. Let us try something like control HK and control XB. Okay, so control XB is for, of course, switching the buffer, which is great. And this is something that, of course, is really useful if you're trying to use Emacs, if you're trying to make it work for your specific way of working. Maybe you're used to a specific key binding, so you can obviously configure it, because in my Emacs init file I do have key bindings which I use. And before you configure those key bindings, just make sure you check this very quickly. So control H and K, that is it. Very simple, right? So control H and then K, and you can then check the key binding very easily. We can also run control H and K. It will tell you the it will actually tell you what this command describe key is all about. So describe key, basically the same thing, control HK, and we are back to the same buffer. So let me try one more. So what about control Y? So control Y is for pasting. All right, that is it. A simple video, short video, but I hope you will be able to do something useful with this. So definitely interesting command, interesting way to figure out the existing key bindings. All right, that is it. Bye bye.